Why am I making a fresh squeezed juice instead of just eating a big pile of Swiss chard or eating, sauteing the kale? People ask me this all the time, and so my short answer is this. When we make fresh squeezed juice, we extract all of the vitamins and minerals in liquid form from the plants. And in that beverage that we're getting, the extracted liquid, we're getting this huge flood of delicious vitamins, minerals, and all of this wonderful, healthy, beneficial food, but without the need to break it down and no wear and tear on our digestive system. So it's basically giving our digestive system a little break. And while you can't live on juice alone, it's a great way to supplement your diet. It's a great way to cleanse out if you're feeling stuck or stagnant, if you're feeling low energy. Juicing is a great way to give yourself a boost of energy. That's the reason to make a fresh juice as opposed to just eating a giant pile of food.